To troubleshoot best egg debt consolidation. Start by understanding what debt consolidation is and how it works. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a single interest rate and payment. Best Egg is a lender that offers debt consolidation loans to help individuals manage their debt more efficiently. First, identify the issue you are experiencing with your Best Egg debt consolidation loan. Is it related to payment, interest rates, or loan terms? Once you have identified the issue, gather all relevant information and documents related to your loan, including loan agreements, payment schedules, and communication with Best Egg. Next, review your loan agreement to ensure you understand the terms and conditions of your loan. Check the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment terms to see if they match what you were expecting. If you are experiencing issues with payments, check your payment schedule to ensure you are making payments on time and in the correct amount. If you are experiencing issues with your loan, contact Best Egg customer service to report the issue and seek assistance. They can help you resolve issues related to payments, interest rates, and loan terms. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your issue and any relevant documentation to support your claim. In addition to contacting Best Egg, consider seeking the help of a credit counselor or financial advisor. They can provide you with personalized advice and guidance on managing your debt and improving your financial situation. They can also help you develop a plan to pay off your debt and improve your credit score. To avoid issues with your Best Egg debt consolidation loan in the future, make sure to make payments on time and in the correct amount. Also, regularly review your loan agreement and payment schedule to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps and seeking help when needed, you can troubleshoot issues with your Best Egg debt consolidation loan and get back on track with managing your debt.